Welcome to day 5, and today I'm going to be taking you through a lower body workout using bands. Now you can choose whatever bands you have available to you, whether they are broken ones, for example. I've tied this in a knot so I can still use it, and different levels of resistance, and even the small ones, so like hip circles or your very small rounded bands. So first one I'm going to take you through is a squat. So I'm going to show you different variations of this depending on what equipment you have or don't have. If you don't have any bands, what I recommend you to do is a tempo squat. So again, set your feet shoulder width apart, make sure your whole foot is planted, and then count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the way up, to make it a little bit more difficult than just the bodyweight squat. So if you do have a band available, pick medium resistance. What you're going to do is stand in the band, pick it up, you're going to place it on your shoulders, not on your neck. And from here, you're just going to perform a normal squat. So go down as low as you feel comfortable, and then stand back up. So for today, I want you to do 3 sets of 15. Okay, that is the squat. If you only have, for example, the hip circles available, you can place it just above your knees, feet shoulder width apart, and again, squat just like that, keeping the knees pushed out against the band. Okay, next, we're going to be doing an RDL. So again, for the medium resistance band, you're going to stand inside of it. You're going to take the tension out. So pick the tension up, bring your hands to your chest. You're going to push the hips back. The knees are slightly bent, but they're not bending anymore. So the movement is coming from the hinge at the hip. And stand back up. Try and go as low as you can. You're going to feel a little bit of stretch in your hamstrings, and then you're going to squeeze the glutes at the top. Now, if that is too easy, what you can do is a single leg variation. So again, pull the tension out of the band, hold the band with your opposite arm, and then find your balance. Same thing again, you're going to hinge at the hip, and the other leg is going to go straight back to help you balance, and then stand back up. Again, the same sets and reps apply for this movement as well. Okay, moving on. So next, we're going to do a lunge. We can do this with the band as well. So you're going to do in a split squat stance. What you're going to do is lunge down and stand back up. So this is your resistance with the band holding it here, just like that. If you wanted to do, well, if you wanted to make it more difficult, what you'd do again is place this around your shoulders, pop your leg onto the sofa, and then you would squat down again and stand back up, just like that. So lastly, I'm going to show you a glute bridge. So we're going to use these and the band, so there's quite a few different ways to do this. So pop your band just above your knees again. You're going to have your upper back on the edge of the sofa. You walk your legs out. You're going to bring your hips up as high as you can and squeeze your glutes. So you can also do this a single leg as well. So a little bit more difficult with this band, so I'm going to go and use a different one. So if you want to do a single leg variation, what you do is take quite a light band. Going to place it under each foot, just like this. You're going to pick it up and then bring it onto your hips. Again, elevate one foot up, so you still have the resistance of the band going all the way across the hips. Then you're going to raise it up. Again, 3 sets of 15 on all of these exercises will give you a really good lower body workout.